Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe and like this video to become a charismatic. If this is not your first time here, hey y'all, hey, welcome back. I am a first-time gardener, beginner gardener from South Georgia, and I grew everything that you see behind me just in a little over 30 days. So if you want to know exactly what I have learned during this process, 3 critical life lessons, keep on watching. I've built a community around gardening within 30 days because I grew all of what you see behind me from scratch, from seeds. Right, so the first lesson that I learned in this process definitely has to be faith. Okay, you know, they say when you start out a garden, you either have the green thumb or you don't have it. I truly think that the green thumb is just faith. Do you believe that what you're going to put in the ground is going to come up? And for me, I had to fight. I had to really and truly fight. People around me, even some people on TikTok when I was going live and I was just starting, that this garden was going to grow into what you all see behind me. I had to actually believe that I could grow food. I think that if you don't believe in what you're doing and you don't have faith, then it's probably not going to work out. You have to believe that what it is that you put in the ground is going to produce good crops. You have to believe, and that parallels to life, because you have to believe that the hard work that you put in is going to yield great results. If you don't have faith in what you're doing, it's probably going to be really hard to bring things into fruition. So I would say the number one life lesson that I have learned since I started gardening has been faith. Let's hop into the second lesson I've learned. The second thing that I've learned since starting this garden in just a little over 30 days has been nurturing. You have to nurture things, right? You have to pour into your friendships, your relationships, everything. You have to check on things and make sure it's well. Like, we ran into some stuff down here, looks like a little fungus, but it literally happened overnight because I didn't check it every day. So I would say nurturing. You have to actually nurture the thing that you want to grow in life. You can't just set it and forget it. You have to bring life into something. You have to water it, okay? You have to give it sunlight. You have to nurture the thing that it is that you say that you want to grow. You have to care for it. You have to work at it. And that is the second life lesson that I have learned since starting this garden. And last but not least, the third thing that I have learned since starting this garden in just a little over 30 days ago, I have learned patience, okay? Let me tell y'all a story. So I planted most of what you see on March the 17th, okay? March or April the 17th, that was actually 30 days, okay? So that was a couple, 2 weeks or so ago. Now we are here, and it took my watermelon forever. It took the watermelon forever to come up. And so I was talking to my boyfriend and I was just like, I don't know about these watermelons. Everything has grown, the watermelons and the peppers. For some reason, the watermelon and the peppers are so stubborn. Like, what is happening? Okay. So we got a little bit of rain down here in South Georgia. And when I tell y'all, I came back the next morning, because you really do, when you have a garden, you got to check on that bad boy every morning, because you don't know what happened last night. Anything could pop off overnight. I came out here one night and it had a freaking fungus all over my dang on lettuce. After a big heavy rain, I came back and look at it. It finally came up. What you have to do is have patience. Gardening teaches you patience in life. You have to believe that the seed that you have planted in the ground is going to come up. You have to believe in it and have the patience while things grow. And that applies to you in your life. You can't rush through life. You don't eat the seed the same day that you plant it. And so you have to have patience when you gardening, because things will work out just like in your life. Have a little bit of patience and just know that the work that you put in, the grind that you've been on, is not in vain. And so I hope that you guys learned a little bit of the 3 things that